Okay, question 22. We're told we've got a trapezium. The diagram's not drawn accurately, so we've got to use our geometry facts to solve this. All measurements are in centimetres, and we're told that the area of the trapezium is 351 centimetres squared, and we're asked to show that the following equation is true. Now, the area of a trapezium, you should think, look at the front of the formula booklet, that is the formula that you have. So that is given to you. Now, we could work out the area of this trapezium by, well, it's 351, but we could work it out in terms of x by substituting into that formula. So we could say that the area in terms of x, well, let's substitute into the formula. We have a half. Now, a add b are these two sides added together. So we're going to have x subtract 4, add x, add 5. Okay, and we're going to multiply that by h, which is the distance they are apart, 2x. Okay, so the area is therefore a half. Now let's combine these. We've got an x and we add another x, so that's 2x. And we've got negative 4 and we add 5. So we're going to get ourselves 2x add 1. Now just if you're not sure, negative 4 add 5, here's 0, you're at negative 4 on the number line, you add 5, you get to 1. Okay? And we've got that multiplied by 2x, right? Now, a half multiplied by this 2 here would be 1. So we can just write that as 2x add 1 multiplied by x, but I can just write the x here. And that's going to be equal to 2x squared add x, right? So I know that 2x squared add x must be equal to 351. So if I subtract the 351 off both sides, I get the equation I've been told to get for 2 marks. And then we're asked to work out the value of x. Okay, so the value of x here. So what we could do is we've got 2x squared add x subtract 351 is equal to 0. And we could give a go at factorising. Although the numbers look really big, I'd be tempted to use the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula says that x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared subtract 4ac all over 2a, for a quadratic of the form ax squared add bx add c equals 0. Okay, so in this case our a is 2, our b is 1, and our c is negative 351. Important you get the negative there, and we could just substitute those in. So x is going to be equal to negative b, so negative 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 1 squared, subtract 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by negative 351, all divided by 2a, which is 2 times 2. So we could substitute that into our calculator. Out there, and we're just going to have a fraction, so negative 1, and we're going to firstly add the square root of 1 squared, subtract 4 times 2 times negative 351, and we're going to go all over 2 times 2, which is 4. If we type that in, we get x is equal to 13 when we had a plus, and if we go up here and just adjust it, change that to a subtract, we get negative. Now x can't be a negative. Looking at the picture here, 2x is one of the sides, so x certainly can't be a negative. Okay, so we're going to ignore that. X is equal to 13 is our answer. 13 centimeters as well. Now, the other ways we could have done this, we could have factorized, okay? You could have even completed the square. Also, with this calculator, you can actually solve quadratics. If you go to mode, equation, it's a quadratic, number 3. Our a was 2, our b was 1, and our c was negative 351. Just type those in, press equals, 13 and negative 27 over 2 are answers. So you could have checked your answer like that.